Good morning, guys. Day 2 of eating regular food. It is nice and early this morning. I'm out with the girls. Gonna get home, make some breakfast, take a shower, and get ready for work. But enjoying this morning. Look at these gorgeous woods behind me. So pretty here. Love my neighborhood, love it, love it. The girls are so tired. Yesterday really wore them out. We had that big hike, or it wasn't really a hike, it was just a flat walk, but it was on a bike trail, so it was a walk. And if you didn't see yesterday's video, we did almost 4 miles, which was really good. And Molly, the older dog we have, she can go for days and days and days. Paisley, on the other hand, was exhausted. She slept all night. Didn't even want her dinner. She wanted to sleep when we got home. You know what? I feel really good. I felt super energized this morning when I woke up. I didn't feel at all tired. I got a good night's sleep. I feel like the food I ate yesterday was really beneficial to my well-being. And I'm looking forward to another wonderful day of eating real food. So I'm going to continue with my walk. I will check back in with you after the walk and let you know how far I went and all of those fun things. And then I'll show you all my meals, and then it'll be another fun video. All right, guys, I'm home from my walk. We did 1.84 miles. Breakfast pizza, here it is. So this is the Joseph's pita bread. I have 2 eggs, 3 slices of turkey bacon, and a tablespoon of the organic tomato basil sauce that I got from Lidl. This is packed with protein, as you can see, healthy carbs, and a little bit of veggie. All right, guys, I'm going to take my shower and head to work. I will see you at lunchtime. All right, guys, here's lunch. We have about 1 cup of mixed greens. I have 4 black olives in there, and then I'm going to be adding 1 cup of fresh cucumber. I did buy just a regular one, so I peeled the skin off. I have 8 slices of roasted turkey breast that I will be chopping up in just a little bit. For some added protein, I'm going to do a little bit of cottage cheese, and I'm going by the serving size on the back here. As you can see, it's 110 grams. So that's what I'm going to do on my food scale. If you put a container on top of the food scale and you zero it out, as you're taking the cottage cheese out of it, the number will show up on the front as a negative. So that's how you know exactly how much you're getting. So into the bowl, I'm slowly going to add the cottage cheese and get to the number that I need it to get to. This will increase my protein value because the turkey, even though it has quite a bit of protein, that's the only way I'm going to have protein in this meal. So adding some low-fat cottage cheese, I think this is 2%, will definitely give me the protein that I need. As you can see, I'm struggling here just a little bit. I don't want to go over. I just really want to stick to the serving sizes and be really good on the plan. So once that's in the bowl, I started to chop up the turkey breast, and I'm adding it into the bowl. Little tiny pieces here, and I sprinkle them inside. We had a little bit of mixed veggie in the refrigerator, so I decided to do 1/3 of a cup. This is peas, carrots, and corn, another thing that I haven't had in forever. I think there's some green beans also. So it was a nice little addition to my salad. As you all know, my favorite salad dressing is this one, the G. Hughes. I love this stuff. So into my bowl goes 1 tablespoon of the dressing. I really didn't need it, I guess, with the cottage cheese, but it just added a little bit of tang. I love this flavor. So here is lunch, packed with protein, vegetables, healthy fat from the olives and the dressing. And then, oh my gosh, guys, I decided that I needed some croutons, but I don't want to eat junky croutons. So look what I did. I took these, the sourdough Wassa crisp bread. I took 2 of these and I crushed them up on top, and I made croutons out of them. Isn't that a great idea? So there's nothing fried, there's no oil. It's just, it gives enough of the crunch, and you don't have to have chips. It's just a really good way to have fake croutons, but in a healthy way. So here's lunch. I enjoyed it immensely, and I hope you try this out. And of course, you can do it to whatever you like, but this was the way I liked it. So I will see you at snack time. So a snack should always be high in protein, and this is what I made myself. This is the protein powder I always recommend. It's one of the best, and I used to use this when I did my bodybuilding and fitness competition prep. This is called PE Select. It's in the peanut butter cup flavor. And then I decided to use a half a cup of this Fairlife chocolate milk, reduced fat. Here's the macros. So I only did half of a cup, half of a serving. But look at the protein in this. So that combined with the PE Select, and then I did add a handful of fresh blueberries to it. I'm sorry, frozen blueberries, and some ice, and I put it in my NutriBullet, and this is what it is. Can you even believe it? There is over, let me see, there's over, I think 35, close to 40 grams of protein in this. Absolutely delicious. I am so enjoying having some fruit and vegetables that I haven't had in so long. It's just truly amazing, and it feels so good. Dinner time, here we go. This is 3 frozen tilapia loins that I get from BJ's, and I seasoned it with garlic powder, onion powder, and paprika. And I'm going to put it in my air fryer at 400 for about 15 minutes. On the side, I have this delicious Walmart brand queso, and the calories are quite low, and I'm going to top it with some steamed broccoli that I made. And I'm going to have the fish alongside of that. So this is what it looks like, all topped with the cheese. I'm going to get the fish out of the air fryer. 2 pieces I'm having, along with this broccoli with the queso on top. And this is my dinner. Oh my gosh, I still have room for dessert for the end of the day. And I am going to show you what I'm having. It's delicious, and I made it last night, and I'm having it again because it's just that good. But guys, this is so simple. Frozen tilapia that you put in the air fryer with some seasoning and a bag of frozen broccoli and a little bit of cheese sauce. I mean, how well balanced and how easy is this when you come home from work? Easy peasy. Moving on to the dessert. Yes, sirree, here it is. This is that yummy cheesecake fluff, and I did put a little bit of pumpkin spice on top. I will be putting some fat-free, sugar-free whipped cream on top when I'm all ready to eat it, but all this is some zero-fat Fage yogurt, 3/4 of a cup. I have 10 grams of this sugar-free, fat-free Jell-O cheesecake mix. And I also have the Reddi-wip that I put about 2 tablespoons inside, and then I'll top it later. And then the pumpkin pie spice. That's it. You mix it all together. I like it in a little cup. And this is dessert. So that's a full day of eating, guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you tomorrow.